Yes, I finally restored one of the broken cars. I know you've been asking for these for a long time, and I finally got around to it. The idea of restoring broken cars is certainly a good one, but not all of my broken cars can actually be restored. Some are so badly damaged that it's easier not to try to restore them, but to make a new car out of modeling clay. But this Toyota was only damaged on the sides, the rear and front parts remained intact, and its construction, as you can see, can actually be restored. I straightened out the damage from the pull test. The small dents that remained, I filled in with modeling clay. It's like filling with putty and then smoothing the surface with sandpaper. That's the method I used, but I wasn't able to straighten out all the dents. I managed to restore the whole body, but if you look closely, you can see that these lines running along the body are uneven in some places. And above the rear wheel, you can see some dents that couldn't be fixed. I noticed them only after painting the body. I had to leave it like that. Fortunately, they don't stand out much because of the matte finish. By the way, what do you think of this new color? Personally, I really like how it looks now. It goes very well with the color of the interior. The black rims also fit well. At first, I thought about making them silver, but then they would stand out too much. And these dark colors look harmonious here. Also, the front wheels can turn, not together, but separately. I didn't do much to restore the underside of the car. I just straightened out the spots where there was damage a little. And I also tweaked the engine a bit. And let's compare what it looked like before and after the restoration. And this is what it looked like before it was destroyed. If you compare the first version of this car with the restored one, which one do you like more? Did it look better in its new form or before it was destroyed? Write about it in the comments. Personally, I like the new look much more. Now this legendary car has been restored, it will be kept in my collection. I enjoyed restoring this car. It was quite interesting. It was a new kind of restoration experience. If you enjoyed watching the whole restoration process, then please like and subscribe to the channel so I can make more videos like this about restoring broken cars from modeling clay. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.